What's up, guys? Manic Mouth Conspiracy here, and today we are going to be talking about the race for the vaccine of COVID-19 and its conspiracy. So, the video you guys are about to see is from the Bill Gates official YouTube page. He really did this video, and he explains how crucial this is because we're in a race to find the vaccine, that we need to create this vaccine. And he also goes and explains how vaccines are created and what they need to do to create this coronavirus COVID-19 vaccine. So here's the video, guys. And watching it, it's like, wow, maybe this theory is truly real. And after watching this video of Bill Gates explaining this, I honestly kind of believe it even more now. So here you go.
The most urgent invention in the world right now is a vaccine that prevents you from getting COVID-19. What vaccines do is they teach your immune system about the pathogen, injecting at least part of the shape of the virus. Sometimes you do the whole virus, but it's attenuated so it doesn't multiply too much. Sometimes you take the virus and you kill it. You won't get sick because they're not duplicating. What's typically done is you just take either a piece of the virus or just the spike, that thing on the surface, and you put it on something else. So there's no risk at all of causing the disease. One final way that's new and is promising is called the RNA vaccine. With RNA and DNA, instead of putting that shape in, you put instructions in the code to make that shape. So the Gates Foundation, along with a great number of partners, are looking at these different efforts. We've never created a new vaccine in less than 5 years. So this is urgent, and it's going to require incredible collaboration. It's going to have to go to 7 billion people. So I am optimistic that one of the vaccine efforts will give us vaccines in the next 18 months. And we'll make sure that it's produced in volume and that it's accessible to everyone in the world. That's how we're going to end this pandemic.
So guys, you just watched that video. And as you heard him say, to make a vaccine, you have to take part, not all, but part of the virus. So he's saying they have to take part of the coronavirus and they have to put it in a vaccine, which then they're going to inject into your body. Okay? And we all know, we've all gotten flu shots before. And we know that the flu shot is them pretty much injecting the flu into your body. And if you're like me, from personal experience, guys, every single time I've gotten a flu shot, I have gotten the flu and I have gotten sick. Wasn't as bad if I, quote unquote, wouldn't have gotten one. But guys, it's the same thing. And here's my thing about it. Why, if I don't have COVID-19, why the hell would I want to put it in my body? And that's the thing, guys. This is a conspiracy video. This isn't fact of me saying, "Oh, don't get vaccines." That's not what this is about at all. This is about the fact that, to me personally, I can't wrap my head around why someone who does not have COVID-19 would want to get COVID-19 injected into their body. And let's not forget, Bill Gates was also the one who a couple years ago talked about how he wanted to microchip everybody, okay? So how do we know that this vaccine isn't going to have some type of microchipping in it? I mean, guys, we wouldn't have conspiracy theories if we thought the government was all sunshine and rainbows and they loved us. Okay? We have conspiracy theories because we have seen evil people in power. And the whole conspiracy behind this whole COVID-19 being like a race for a vaccine. And that's literally the title of his video, as you guys seen. Like, what? So, like, are you Bill Gates? Are you literally just, like, saying that, yes, this is a race for the vaccine? Like, the race for the vaccine is what gets me, because we saw it with the moon, okay? Everyone, we wanted to be the first ones on the moon, right? And like, there's even a conspiracy about that we didn't even actually go to the moon, that we just planned it, we just faked the moon landing so that we could say we were the first people to land on the moon. And so, is it really far-fetched that like our government would want to be the first people to make this vaccine? Because what's going to happen, guys, if we're the first country to make this vaccine? All the other countries are going to love us. They're going to be sending us money to get this vaccine. Money, eh? You mean the root of all evil in the Christian Bible and the cause of fucking just shit, guys? I mean, it's just crazy. And I don't know. The whole race for a vaccine, that's kicker, guys. That's kicker. But again, this is just personal, you know? So I'm curious to know your guys' thoughts on this. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think about this. Do you think that it is plausible that this was all just like kind of like a plan? Because that's part of the conspiracy as well, is that this was a planned epidemic, almost like the game Plague, right? Plague Inc., where you literally release this virus into the world and you literally have to figure out how. You have to find the vaccine, you have to get rid of this, and it tells you how many people die. Like, it's crazy. It's like literally we're in real life Plague Inc. right now. Plague Inc., whatever. Sorry if, you know, you guys are gonna say that I said shit wrong, but as always, you guys know that I say shit wrong sometimes. So, but again, so that to me is just not far-fetched at all. And is it really crazy to think that our government wouldn't have hidden agendas, that they wouldn't release this virus? I mean, there was even reports that Trump was studying the COVID-19 virus to see how prepared the United States was going to be for a virus like this. And oh my God, lo and behold, the virus comes and we're not prepared. And the US failed those tests. So I don't know. It's just all crazy. But like, Bill Gates, come on. We didn't forget you want to microchip us. Like, fuck out of here. Alright guys, that's the end of this video. Like I said, let me know down in the comments what you guys thought. You know, just think for yourself, guys. That's what it's about. Don't let them take away that. Because at the end of the day, this right here is the only free thing that you have. Peace out, guys.